Yaki or yaku means to fry or to grill. Niku means meat. So any grilled meat or fried meat, we can call it yakiniku. However, in Japan, when we hear the term yakiniku, we often think of thinly sliced beef ribs, grilled or pan-fried. When I was little, eating yakiniku was a rare feast, once or twice a year. At the time, we only had domestic beef in Japan, many of them being Wagyu. Japanese government allowed imported beef in the early 1990s. Now we eat beef much more. It's not fair, younger kids. They grow up eating beef every week. They don't think it's sugoi.
Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.